Damn, you just grabbed that thing and slung it like it was nothing. Oh yeah, this is nice. Man, there's too much chaos back here in the back. Sounds like y'all got some issues, man. Man, I'm a caveman. I bear claw that shit. There he is, B. Got his ass. Are we finally ready?
Yeah.
I mean,
hey, you said 9:30, 10 o'clock.
I would have bet my last dollar you were here at 9:30. That's why I got here at 9:30.
We're up at 7:30, 7:40.
Actually, I got here at 20 after 9.
Well, we got up, and I made them start getting the kayaks around early. So it was.
I had everything loaded up, ready to go. She had everything loaded up.
7:30.
I said, what time is it? 7:30. I was like, what the
She
hell?
wasn't even out of bed at 7:30.
It's fine.
So then they had to like get in the shower.
I did. I had to shave my legs.
For kayak?
Yeah, they needed it. They were rough.
That's what I said.
Oh, you're definitely going to be on film for that. That's a given, dude. So, we're going kayaking today. All right, great. I'll get up and take a shower and shave my legs and stuff.
He was like, you know, you're going to be getting in muddy water, and I said, yeah.
Poor little Christopher over there, dude. All right, you ready? Let's go.
Yeah, you get in.
Come on, B.
Well, I'm ready. I mean,
Well, let's get Amber in first. Are you sure you just shaved your legs and stuff?
there you go.
Yeah, okay. Ooh. Oh, it's not cold, but it is mud. I'm stuck.
I always bring other shoes.
Fucking hell. Oh.
Man, I don't got the battery or anything on mine.
Man, why do you have the anchor?
It sits in there. Because if it doesn't sit in there, then I'll forget it and I'll have one paddle like Christopher.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I'm good.
It's cool.
No, she does not want that on your YouTube.
Yeah, do not put that. I know what I did. I know what I did. This went that way, my leg went that way.
Put your ass on it first.
I'm fine. You guys are watching me now. It's making me nervous. My body just went the wrong way. Oh man, what a fun time already, man.
Oh, it'll be okay. Hopefully you're not cold.
Nah.
Good thing you shaved your legs.
Yeah.
Went through the water quicker.
That mud just sheared right off of it.
No, I didn't. That's what you're going to fish with.
Easy, B. Damn, you just grabbed that thing and slung it like it was nothing. Oh yeah. I'll probably fall in too.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Huh? They've made it really kind of tough to get in this right here with this bank cut out like this.
Yeah, oh, right here is fine. Because you have like a little step down. But the rest of this shit sucks.
Yeah, it does, really. Oh yeah, this is nice.
Hey, I gotta get in the shower again.
Yeah. Maybe this is Maybe this is payback for you falling out of your car yesterday.
Yeah, you're right. Falling.
You fell out?
No.
I texted her. I said, "Hey, when are you leaving work?" She said, "I'm getting in my car now." But like 20 minutes later, she ain't called me to tell me she left. And I'm like, "Did you fall out of your car?"
Yeah, you should see the big old scrape on my knee. God, it hurts so bad.
Man, there's too much chaos back here in the back. I'm gonna be honest. That's too much.
Chaos.
Too much.
Agreed.
This is supposed to be peaceful.
That's my goal.
I'm trying to find that sweet honey hole where
I mean, there should be fish right up there where that tree's ever hanging. Should be. Was it the same day I fell in?
No, because Chris was there, wasn't he?
No. Chris said he don't remember me falling in.
No, you're right. He wasn't. Yeah, he did it. It was funny.
Was it? I didn't laugh at you when you fell in the water. And you like rolled over on your back like you were floating.
I did. I was like, shoot.
Like you were sunbathing.
sounds like y'all got some issues, man.
How did the dog get on the phone one?
And he felt when he was getting out.
Which is like easier to do than doing anything else.
But he landed on his knee weird too. And I ain't doing that.
Dude, I thought that
I'll
was
do
going
it.
down. I
Whoa.
thought that was it for him.
That was terrible.
He fell hard.
He did. I felt so bad.
Obviously, you sitting there laughing at me.
I felt bad at the time.
Hey man, this shit's funny, dude. It doesn't matter. You could have been dead and they'd still been laughing because it's funny. Isn't that awesome, B?
What?
Super absorbent towels?
Yeah.
Dude.
It is.
And I mean, I'm telling you, man.
That's why I hate buying like cheap bath towels because they don't dry you off.
Or cheap toilet paper. It's the worst.
It is.
Cheap toilet paper is the worst.
It is. You wouldn't use cheap toilet paper. You got those Cottonelle wipes. You use those.
Man, I'm a caveman. I bear claw that shit.
You don't have to wipe your
He
feet
says,
all the time.
correct. He says only on video.
Ah, son of a.
Oh, hell, dude. How did you get it that far?
I'm good. Professional. It probably doesn't hurt that the bait weighs about as much as my kayak does. Like every time I reel in, it looks like I got a fish on there.
I was actually thinking that a second ago.
Yeah, it's for the audience.
Snaps and nipple? What?
With water. I splashed it. It was roll cold.
Christopher, I don't want to hear anything about it.
That was for the camera.
I splashed my nipple with water.
I thought you two might want to know.
Hey, your mom splashed both hers. She got the boob and all, not just the nipple.
Right, oh, dang.
I'll take the doodle.
Yep.
There he is, B. Got his ass. Yeah, I got him. Oh, fuck.
Did it get off?
Yeah, I did, babe. Damn it.
What do you have
Slow.
on there?
Huh?
What do you have on there?
Chatterbait, just slow. Ooh, there he was again. We got a drop off right here, B. I'm gonna turn around and hit it again. Right where it comes up to this peak right here.
Right where you're at?
Yeah, it's a drop off. I'm gonna hit it again. I'm gonna back up a little bit. I'm gonna come back at it. I'm gonna catch that motherfucker. Spit my bait out, will you? I kind of just was slow rolled it off that edge. It went from shallow and it dropped off. That drop off right at probably about as soon as it hit about a foot off that drop off, B, he just drilled it.
Oh, what the shit?
Yeah, and there's some brush down there. I'm just real super slow. Letting that dude kind of fall all the way to the bottom and then bringing it back super slow. Not even giving it a twitch, B, just slow rolling. Oh, man. No, I can get it, babe. Yeah. That's a nice little hole, B.
It is. This little section right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it deep over there? Why don't you got your fish finder, man?
It's in the trailer.
Huh?
It's in the trailer.
Well, why didn't you put it on?
Because I forgot it.
You figure out how to dry your lighter?
Yeah. They say to hold it upside down and run it long straight
Uh-huh.
for about 30 seconds and then pull it over. And there you go.
Hot damn.
Did it work?
Yes, it did. Here's over here.
Yes. Agreed. What are you doing?
We're gonna get out and stretch my legs out for a minute. Huh? Huh?
So it looks like it's somewhat solid.
It's all right for me. Oh, it's gravel. It's rocky. Oh no. I might have a problem. I was trying to fish dangerous. I got a serious problem. No, no. Huh? There he is. That's what I'm talking about.